So guys, what's up? What's going on? I hope you are doing well. Many people just don't know how to create an administrator account in Windows 10 or Windows 11. In fact, I received a comment just yesterday asking for a detailed video on how to gain administrator access. So in today's video, we will cover this topic extensively. Now, this video is like if you have complete permission of administrator account and you want to create a new administrative account, or either if you don't have any permission but you are using a local account and you want to create an administrator account. So this video will work in both ways. So what you can do if you are using a local account on Windows 10, the process to create an administrator account is slightly different. So here's the method: create an administrator account when using a local account. So the step number one, first click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner and then type Control Panel and open it. Now once you are in the control panel, as you can see here, a user account, just go into it and once again user account. Now once you are here, locate and manage another account, just click on it and then click on add a new user in PC settings. Now here we are gonna create a new user account. Just add someone else to this PC. Now click on I don't have this person sign in information. Now select add a user without a Microsoft account. Now here you can see fill in the required detail for the new user. Be sure to select administrator under type selection. So first we are just providing here the name Windows Fixer. Then if you want password you can use here, otherwise just click on next. As you can see, now I have two accounts. Now just select this one, change account type. Now here you can see account type, the standard user and the administrator. So we are going with the administrator because administrator have all the permissions and access. So yeah, select here the administrator and click on OK. That's it. Now you have local account but it's administrator, like with administrator permissions. Now simply close it and you can switch it from here. The one option for shutdown, just right click here, go into the shutdown and click on the sign out. And there you have it. You have successfully created an administrator account on your Windows 10 system. Even if you are using a local account, this account will give you full control over your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.